So I bought a deck. Not this deck. This is the deck I was using. I bought a real deck. Yeah, scratch that. I had to buy a new deck. Well, I had to rebuy the deck that I was using. Initially, I bought this. It's the periodic audio Rhodium. Um, I know the box looks like a white blob right now. I'll reshoot it again. It's a simple unboxing because there's literally nothing in here but the deck and a USB A attachment. But anyway, I had to buy another one because the deck that you saw in the thumbnail in the opening in the original video was a Lavaudio DS100. Now, the DS100 sounded really good, but I think it might have been defective, man, because when I usually the way I set mine up is I turn my head unit up to my max head unit volume goes up to 40. I usually turn it up to maybe 30, 33 just so I don't clip the signal. And on my phone, I turn it up to max volume and I just balance it out and control it accordingly. Well, with the Lavaudio DS100, when I would turn the phone up to max volume, it would distort on the DS100. Even if I turned the phone volume down and tried to turn the Lavaudio up, it would still distort at full volume. And I know the Lavaudio has a amp built inside, but so does these other small mini DACs, like the cheap Xumee that I have, and then this periodic audio Rhodium. But maybe the DS100 amplifier was a little bit more powerful or too powerful, but either way, it shouldn't have clipped the signal that way. It shouldn't have distorted my sound immediately when I turn it up. And it wasn't just in my car. In case you're wondering, I have my head unit turned up too high, it's clipping, or I have my phone turned up too high. Because even when I would do it with my inner ear, IEM, inner ear monitors, my wired headphones, it would still clip too, regardless of the brand. I had Sony's, I have some edifiers, I have some Audio Technica, and it would clip no matter what. So I think it was a defective model. But anyway, I'm gonna do a mini unboxing of this because there's really not much in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do some sound testing. I'll play some what is it, DRM non-copywritten music for you after I do my own test. I'm gonna do a couple of tests now just to see what it sounds like in comparison to the Xumee and from what I can remember about the Lavaudio, which again did sound good. It just distorted at high volume. So let me go ahead and get to that, and then I'll go ahead and let you guys hear some of this DRM A/B testing and see if you guys can decide which one sounds best or not, and then I'll let you guys know at the end. So after a ton of testing, I mean a ton of back and forth, I'm even starting to get dead ear right now because I was playing it at the highest volume that I would normally play it at to try to keep it fair between the two. And I'm gonna let you guys make your decision before I tell mine. I'll let you know my decision in the next short video. I'll do a short, like 1 minute video to let you know what I decide. But I want you guys to hear between the two with this DRM free YouTube download music. But I will say, for you know what? I don't even know if I'm gonna say my conclusion just yet, or should I? No, I'll say it. Well, nah, because if I say it, then it might sway you guys. But then again, we all hear differently, so maybe you'll hear something different than what I think I'm hearing. But let me just say this: I don't want to say disappointed, but I'm not overwhelmed. What I mean by that is, I found the Rhodium to be just a little bit better than the cheap Xumee. And the differences that I heard, man, I'll just go ahead and say it now. You guys can go ahead and make your decision because you don't have to necessarily agree with me or not. But the subtle differences that I heard are the volume's the same between the two. Um, I've found the Rhodium to have smoother, more refined highs. But I've seen other reviews saying that it had a deeper stage or a wider sound stage. I don't know I don't know if I can say that because I don't have anything to compare it to in comparison to what they were comparing it to. I will say this: The Lavaudio DS100 actually did sound better than the cheap Xumee and this Rhodium, only by a little, because the Lavaudio seemed to have a wider soundstage for me and a little bit more depth. The highs were brighter in the Lavaudio, but they were still controlled. The highs are brighter in this cheap Xumee, and they're on the brink of distortion, whereas the highs are still nice and crisp in this Rhodium, but they're not distorted. They're smooth. They sound really good to me. So my vote will go towards the periodic audio Rhodium, but just by a little. I thought it would be night and day overwhelming, considering the price point, considering that the Xumee is a no-name cheapie, and no disrespect to Xumee because it actually sounds pretty decent, but in comparison, I thought the Rhodium was going to just blow me out the seat of my car. Now, I did say before that I am planning on getting the Aston & Kern HC3 when it releases. It'll release, I believe, around February 14th. So I do plan on getting that, and I do expect to be completely blown away with that. But with these, I'm going to go ahead and keep the Rhodium. There's no need to go back and forth, sending it back and forth with Amazon. I don't want to ruin my status there and all that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it. The Xumee will be my ultimate last minute backup, or I might keep it in the house or something. But until then, I'll be rocking the periodic Rhodium in my car for now. And when the Aston & Kern comes out, I'll be getting that HC3, and that should be it. I plan to be, I better be blown away with that. So with that being said, I thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about it if they want to know car audio, if they're advanced in car audio, or if they're new to car audio. My channel should be able to help them all. I appreciate you guys' support. I appreciate the conversation, the feedback, the back and forth. And until next time, stay tuned.